We absolutely believe smarter commerce has an impact on customer relations. The first is it allows you to create specific targeted campaigns consistent across all the channels that you touch your customers. You're going to have a much more personalized conversation with your customer. The second thing is it allows you from a service perspective to give them access to their information, where they stand with your company, the status of orders, availability of stock. Those are tools that customers, we talked about them being more empowered customers. They want to know that type of information. And if you can give it to them whenever or wherever they need it, whether it's on their desktop or a mobile device, that's going to improve their sense of satisfaction with your firm. One example of a mid-sized firm where smarter commerce is having an impact on customer relationships is Li Ning, which is one of the leading sports brands in China. Li Ning implemented an end-to-end e-commerce solution that allows them to build information on demographics and web activity as their customers navigate through their site. It allows them to create point-in-time promotions, opportunities, and to be able to make sure that they deliver the right information at the right time to their customers, and they're seeing an impact on their customer satisfaction. We're seeing cases where implementing these types of capabilities are actually exceeding customers' expectations. The ability to create a targeted campaign, a targeted approach to each of your customers, the ability to track their interaction with your firm, their ability to understand where they stand with their order process, getting that type of customized information is leading to better results. One example is Speedo International, who implemented an end-to-end commerce as well as an analytics solution with IBM, allowed them to not only implement the type of commerce capabilities, the ability to reach their customers with this targeted campaign, but it gave them the analytics capabilities to understand, are these the right offerings? Are these offerings having the most impact with their customers? And so it's that experience and that learning that allows them to create more targeted campaigns in the future. So when customers are coming back, they're finding it's a much better experience because they're being approached with exactly the type of campaigns, promotions that they want to see that are most useful to them. We believe that smarter commerce is having an impact on mid-market size firms and their revenue growth. I'll give you an example. Custom Ink, which is a mid-market sized custom t-shirt manufacturer, they're about 300 employees, about 12 years old, rolled out a new tool called Design Lab that allows their customers to design their own t-shirts. And one of their concerns they had is keeping their customers engaged through the entire process from design to placing the orders and making sure that people stayed on track and didn't lose them to other websites or going somewhere else. And they had no way of understanding what was happening with their customers as they interacted with their website. They rolled out a solution using CoreMetrics TruePath that allowed them to understand what was happening with their customers. They could see the impact of design on their website actually having an impact on how their customers were interacting and whether they were more likely or less likely to complete their design and place the order. So that's the type of capability with analytics built into it that allowed them to build a real-time dashboard to understand what was the impact of their site design on how their customers used and actually bought their product. So those are the types of examples that we're seeing with mid-market customers that are looking at this empowered customer saying, I need to step up my game and perform in a different way. I need to understand all the different ways that I touch this customer. I need to understand how I target them with specific campaigns that reach them uniquely. And then I need to be able to present my entire firm, my supply and my customer service capabilities to that customer so that they can make sure that they're getting the most out of that experience as well. So those are all the things that we're seeing as part of smarter commerce that are making it such an important trend in leading firms today.